Whoa. What are your thoughts on racism?
Kapta.
Just gonna have some cheese. Cheese. You like cheese?
This is absurd behavior.
God damn, Bella, you got that dump truck.
Call for her.
Brian, come here.
What the hell's wrong with
Oh, bye. Oh. Mina, what do you have? Please say you killed it. Mina, you need to go outside. Please say it's dead, please say it's dead, please. It's not dead!
Oh my god, dude.
Yes! Okay, listen, you need to oh my god. No! Oh.
Sunny, look at the... Sunny.
Like that? Oh,
Home for them.
no. Oh.
He just sits here while I'm doing my business, and I appreciate it.
You suck at this game. I don't know why you're looking at me. I'm not gonna help.
Luna. Baby. She doesn't know I'm here yet. Hi, baby. I'm sorry.
So I heard if you give a cat an egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
Who are you? Oh, I don't have a cat.
Толя не умеет забирать ветчину из рук.
She's not gifted.
How come you only love me when I'm taking a shit? Huh?
Good kill. Good kill. Real good kill.
Her meow is so cute, but so quiet.
You got my finger! I'm trying to.
Croaker.
What the? Girl, if you don't let that thing go.
Those beautiful twinkling lights in the sky still.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
He just did a little smile.
It's the first time I've ever seen snow.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
Bro, get a job. Over here drinking, watching the 70s Steelers.
Thanks for watching Oopsie Pets. Pop rants if you had a laugh, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more hilarious animal antics. See you in the next one. Stay possum.